Now we will see the gene set test for geo categories. In the gene set test for geo categories are slightly more complicated in comparison with the KEGG pathway test we have performed previously. In order to get the geo category test, the same commands are used as we have used for the KEGG pathway test. The only difference between the geo categories test and the KEGG pathway test is that in the geo categories test we use the package that is known as GO2ALL probe instead of Path2 probe. Otherwise, all the procedure and the commands, they are same as we have used for KEGG pathway. So again we have the same library HGU. We use this pathway GO all probes, and we have this one probes. Then we have to list it, and the actual test is carried out exactly the same way as we have done for KEGG pathways. And again the procedure is same, and the commands, they are almost the same that we have used for the KEGG pathway. The results can be written on the screen the same way as the KEGG result, as we have seen in the previous slide that we have the data of 4 samples, the same number of genes, 22,283, and they are divided into 6 gene sets, and we use all the 3 permutations. So this is the data obtained for the geo categories test, and it is exactly the same data as we have obtained for the previous KEGG pathway. This is the number, then genes present in our data set, then the expected and the original Q values, then the P value, and then the FDR adjusted. So the format for both geo categories and KEGG pathways, they are almost identical.